seconds.
We didn't start the fire. Birds were burning and the world was turning.
I'm coming. Don't. Oh, Nick's getting a lift. I'll be on my way. You can go wait.
Admin perms are in for next game.
Okay, cool.
Oh, we're
Negative.
gonna fuck
Oh my god, I'm literally
I
losing my
have
child. I
got
just
this
lost
burn
this
going
guy's
at the same rate as burning. So I've
Alright, we're
keeping the
bringing
tank
repair
alive,
station
but I
to you,
can't
Ranger.
repair it.
Hold up. Just wait 2 seconds. Literally wait 2 seconds. I'm spawning in.
Squad 5 tanks on 2% in burning.
Wait, Lucas, can I just try and get help in your
behind you.
alley? Hold on.
Yeah, sure.
Stop. I'm behind you.
Oh yeah, lads, in-game admin perms are in for next round. So
Yeah,
what
So
we'll
we
do,
can change.
as soon as the map starts, change map. So we'll select one person to change the map, and we'll change it to something quickly.
Oh my god,
Always
Squad 7 is so
run
retarded, but just think that Habs is destroyed. And not about Habs overrun, and not about radio is destroyed.
Ranger, we're coming.
Save me!
They're so fucking retarded.
If we save this tank, I'm gonna lie.
They're so
Is there someone
retarded!
behind me? I feel like there's someone behind me.
Yeah,
I
wait,
I can't even look far enough for that.
Actually, hold on. I'm gonna swap to a. No, wait, hold on. I'm gonna swap to a non
Alright, cool.
squad lead, so I have a shovel.
Did anybody?
Oh,
Did
Should
anybody
I,
even
should
get
I
this?
alert anyone
Hey,
in the US
Lucas,
team?
okay.
Alert that the camping house has been destroyed.
Oh wait, it has. Hold on.
Yep,
Nice.
What's his name?
Are
That
you
one
the
dude.
combat engineer that's there?
yep.
Can you
Don't
run
shoot
over
me.
to squad 5 tank?
Kelly 2,
Ron, I
this
might
is
be able to
Squad
save
1.
you. This
You are doing a
imagine.
fantastic job. You're impeccable.
We're on our way. We're gonna triple repair it, and then
It's
boys
gonna
can
actually
get over there.
repair, and then we get a
We
repair
have enough
station
for a
just
repair
here.
station.
Yes.
Lucas, you can go.
Oh,
Sweet. Just drop me and I'm gonna kill him.
Yeah, we're trying to aim a tractor on enemy striker. We disabled the turret on the enemy tank.
11, if you didn't swing your turret around behind you, there is a striker behind you. It is annoying, I had
oh fuck! I didn't mean to do that. This is such a.
Right, take us back
Tell him to
main.
go. Tell him to go right. Tell him to go right. Just go straight right now.
You're going past the
You don't need
striker.
to get back to main, down back.
Guy from
And they team killed me.
That's fine.
Oh, don't lose fucking alleys.
Oh, they built another radio down.
Oh, there goes Ellie.
Is on radio now.
Should have C4 the Logi as well.
Guy just dug
Yeah,
out our
it's
radio
unfortunate.
all day.
It's like the map.
Why the fuck it did
Yeah,
this?
I was gonna take the bar.
It's an admin. You're not allowed to make
A
it.
10 is also one manning. What the fuck is this?
Joe, can you not campaign, please? This is your last warning.
No, use
Alright, I gotta give him a warning.
Well, I mean, not much we can do.
Oh, no, get evidence of it. Find out who it is that's doing it. Get evidence of it, and then ban him when we get the
Literally just got another have up.
My guy's still ordering it.
I ended up
Can you
killing
tell
him.
Spindles I've been fixing my tank for the last 20 minutes?
Oh, don't say that battle matrix is down, by the way. Don't mention that ever.
I can't drop a radio,
I got
I
run
don't want
over.
to use
No,
an
no.
SL. Oh wait, no, wait, yeah, repair it and then I can.
Drop a repair station here.
Yes,
we
this
do.
thing has
Gotta
been
repair
burning
it.
for the last
Go
20
to the
minutes.
house before it blows up.
It's been burning for the past 20 minutes, I've been keeping it alive.
It's not yours, but
This is
someone
so dumb.
good looking logic. You can go to that, please, and put a hat on gas down.
Because that's the main camping. And whoever's gonna participate in this is gonna be
now.
Alright, Ranger, get a radio down.
Oh my god, I can stop repairing!
Go, just go. I got this. There we go, it's unable. It's fixed. And tell him to drop ammo as well, drop ammo.
We
Yeah,
need
I'm dropping the repair now.
I've got it.
Oh, you got it?
I'm starting to
No,
deployable objects.
hold on.
I nearly did a hab, that
Thanks,
would have
mate,
been
you're a
bad.
lifesaver. There you go.
Oh, you got it, alright.
Okay, I am sitting in the
I don't have a shovel, so it's up to Nick to build.
I don't have a shovel either.
Here we go, Lupus. Full name list of Squad 7.
I'm just here to...
Uh,
Don't ban all of them, it's just the squad leader.
It's the squad leader.
Do you want the ammo too?
We don't
I
actually...
think we got
How
enough.
much do we need? We need 400.
It fucking took him like 2
Three
tries
of
to
them.
realise. And multiple chats that, yeah, we should
I was
probably not
digit with
camp main.
Oh, someone has to get a... Is anyone recording that?
Oh my god. It won't go long enough.